I will give you a few reasons why I run my robot vacuum every day. This Roborock is having a mopping function and I use it like every second or third day depending how I'm planning my day and how much I won't be at home. But to get your attention, I emptied a dustbin 7 days ago and I run every day in the past 7 days. So this is what you get. So this is example what you get in your home. And to explain a few things. So when I started vacuuming every day, what I noticed immediately is that I stopped nearly 100% sneezing when I wake up. Before, every time I wake up, I start sneezing and I really need to clean my sinuses. But since I started vacuuming complete house, this problem nearly 99% stopped. And I'm pretty sure that this is because I vacuum regularly every day and there is a minimal amount of dust particles in the air, so it helps a lot. If you are using a dust filter in your home, just look at this. If you, let's say, vacuum every week once, there would be probably a less amount of dust in this container, and that will be because some amount will get caught in dust filter, and you will breathe some amount, and here and then there are a lot of small benefits to vacuum every day than just not to do it. And I don't see a reason why not to do it if you have it. I mean, this Roborock needs like 20 minutes to just vacuum my home. So when I go somewhere to get a daily business outside, I just run it and it finishes really fast. So, it is not too much trouble to run it every day, and benefits are more than noticeable. And to add up, if you're using an air filter, you will prolong the air filter lifetime because you will just get that dust in the dustbin and there is a lot less work for the air filter to do. So basically it is a double benefit. One of additional benefit which I noticed again in my case, because I'm using air conditioners, inverter air conditioners to heat my home, and basically they run nearly 24 hours per day. What I noticed is a lot less dust in air conditioner filters. Let's do a simple test. If you have a robot vacuum, start using it every day. Do a test, 7 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month, and come back here and share your experience. I have a few examples which I was speaking about them, but the major and the most important thing which I noticed is that I really stopped sneezing during the day, and in majority of times I had a problem when I wake up in the morning. I was always sneezing for like 15-30 minutes. I needed to clean my sinuses because probably during the night dust was accumulating in my sinuses, and I need to clean that. Now I don't have that problem. It really helped me a lot, and this robot vacuum is a household toy which, if ever had happened to be broken, I would immediately replace it because I really, with zero effort, I really have a lot of benefits. So do a test, come back here and share your experience. See ya.